I am a basic scientist. I'm not a clinician. My education was in physics mostly, so I never even, as a student, I was never exposed to human research. And it's a complicated thing. It's not just getting the research right. There's a lot of regulations to navigate, and there's a lot of, institutional stuff that you need to navigate as well. And I really struggled with that, and so I really was excited when I found out that there was a resource. When you're doing human research, you're faced with not just getting the research right, but also with navigating the institutional environment and the regulatory environment. And it's really, really helpful to have someone help me hold my hand as we walk through that process together. So the support I received from CRSC allowed me to identify some basic issues with my protocol that could potentially derail my research. They were very thorough. And in my mind, they really covered all of the bases. Based on my experience with CRSC, I would not hesitate to use them again, absolutely 100%, both on this project and in any future projects I do. You have nothing to lose by using them, I think. The process was very fast. From the time we scheduled to the time we met to the time that I had my feedback was probably about 2 weeks. So it didn't take that long. I think they really went above and beyond. I was really impressed with the whole thing. I was impressed with the breadth of coverage and the questions that they asked and the topics that were covered in my research. Everyone who was in the room had read my protocol really carefully. I think without the CRSC, I would still be wondering who I need to talk to, who I needed to be put in touch with to get the information I needed from my patients and to get buy-in from the ICU staff. I was relieved. There's no question about it. This is like navigating the human research process is something that has been really challenging for me from the start, just because of my background and not being a clinician. And so I was really, really relieved to know that there was someone who was going to help me navigate all of this.